How to create a Revolut account. So of course, first things first is go to any of your app store available and then just simply download Revolut. Once downloaded and installed, just open and run the application, and in here you should see two options. Go into create account, and here just simply add in your phone number. Now it's going to be showing black on the screen due to some security purposes. Now once you have added your phone number in, you should receive an OTP or a one-time password. Simply input it there and confirm. Now on the next page, you just have to follow along all the on-screen prompts like providing your identifications, and please do make sure that the general information that you key in should match on the identification card that you'll present, for example, your passport or your driver's license, depending on what is available, as long as it is valid. Now, usually Revolut will send you an email that your account is ready to be registered or to sign up. You just have to wait for maybe a couple of minutes, depending on their response, for you to fully create your account. And those are the things that you can do for you to be able to create an account with Revolut.